ADR and dubbing. ADR is any sort of audio dialogue replacement that they need. That could be sounding like a celebrity. That could be joining a loop group and just screaming or clapping or laughing in the background of a picture. So anything that they would need additional to the main actor's dialogue. Dubbing. Actually playing a role, a live action role from another language in your native language. I just did a thing for HBO Max. I did about 700 lines and played 6 characters, and it was dubbing. I had to match my voice to their lip flap. It's very challenging work. It's very fun, but it's also very challenging. So that's the type of voice work. E-learning. And I kind of combine e-learning and corporate industrial work. E-learning is any training module from any corporation in the world. Most people, when they get a job at a company, have to do weeks of training. They sit through these videos on a kiosk and learn about the company and the rules and what to do and what not to do. That is e-learning. Extremely prevalent work. Long-form narration work. It's just a casual conversational voice telling you about the policies and procedures of the company. Corporate work and industrial work. This will be more of like sales pitches and internal meetings, a new brand, a new product, a new service that the company is launching, and it's not being broadcast out into the world. This is strictly for internal employees. Most of the work is this sort of work, internal non-broadcast work, a lot of it out there. Then you start getting into commercial work, which is pretty self-explanatory, advertising a product or service. This could be a radio spot, a social media spot, anything that is broadcast on web, TV, internet, or radio. Promos, obviously, a promo is a timeline-driven thing for a date of time, show, concert, event. Trailer is a movie trailer, a tease, a sizzle reel. Video games, more grounded live action, real acting video games. Animation, a little bit more out there. Usually stand-up comedians book a lot of this work. Radio imaging, you could be the voice of a local radio station. And motion capture, actually acting out and performing in the suit, being in a video game, actually performing that work. It's very physical. If you come from a theater background, that's probably where you want to go, because you get to still be physical and act out things. So that's the type of voiceover works that's out there. And phone systems and all kinds of work. There's a lot of different options. That's why I say be very specific. What path do you want to take?